This fine collection presents the half-millennium of the Roman presence on the current territory of Luxembourg. This Roman period, without doubt, constitutes one of the most glorious eras in the history of the Grand Duchy. The Gallo-Roman Era collection forms one of the foremost attractions of the museum, as much for its diversity as for its scientific interest. The visit is structured according to theme. The visitor discovers the Roman villas as a setting of a sometimes luxury life, the daily life and the population, the world of the dead and that of religion. This section of the museum starts with the phase of progressive Romanization of the native population. The tour then moves on to the living conditions during the long period of Pax Romana, Roman peace. Finally, finds from late antiquity prepare the transition towards the High Middle Age era. The period of Romanization following the conquest of the ancient land of Treveri by Caesar extends across more than 3 generations, most notably from 30 to 70 BC. These are the essential funeral rites that allow us to follow the Romanization process. We find more and more objects imported from the Roman Empire in the graves of aristocrats. We notice the progressive emergence of large funeral monuments built in stone in the Roman fashion. The role played by the Roman army in the integration of the elite Treveri in Roman culture was also very important. The Celtic sanctuary of Titelberg, which at the time had transformed itself into a Roman vicus, a neighbourhood in ancient Rome, has left behind numerous precious pieces of archaeological evidence on the progressive Romanization of the territory. From the start of the political, administrative and economic integration of Gaul until the end of the Roman presence in the area, the whole Luxembourg region formed a part of the Civitas Treverorum, an important administrative territory of the eastern part of the Roman province of Belgium Gaul. Belonging to the enormous Roman Empire and the Pax Romana, offered unprecedented new opportunities to inhabitants, such as highly developed networks of communication, free markets, monetary unity, and Latin as the common language. The demand for all kinds of products intended to supply the army on the military frontier of the empire and to the population of big cities like Trier and Cologne encourages the emergence of new, diverse units of production. The flamboyant mosaic of the Muses, discovered in 1995 at Wittgen, certainly constitutes the leading work of the Gallo-Roman section. This mosaic presents the mythical subject of 9 muses, daughters of the god Zeus and the goddess Mnemosyne. It once decorated the reception hall of an important Gallo-Roman villa. The muses are reproduced following the order of the Greek author Hesiod: Clio, Euterpe, Thalia, Melpomene, Terpsichore, Erato, Polymne and Urania. The muse of epic and melancholic poetry, Calliope, accompanies poet Homer in the central adornment.